Welcome. So if you got a chance to check out my video last week, or our video last week about the frost cloth, we had, I don't know, it was last weekend, so we've had a couple frosts since then. So we're going to take a look and show you the difference in what something that's protected by the frost cloth and something that's not. So right here you can see we are looking at these potatoes, and you can see, look at what the frost has done to them. That is just, if we would have had these covered, these are getting ready to come out, so we weren't too concerned about, you know, covering them up too much. But obviously you can see what the frost does. That's just, doesn't look good, does it? So now we're going to go over here and we're going to take a look, peek underneath the frost cloth that I did and see what things look like under here, and just take a look at the difference. I haven't looked under here yet since we put this up, but let's pull this back and take a look and see what we got. Oh, see? What a difference. I mean, everything is perfect. Nothing is damaged by the frost. Everything looks good and healthy in here. What do you think, Brian? Does it look good? You happy with the way the vegetables look? Huh? Everything look good to you? You're happy with the way everything turned out? All right. Well, let that be a lesson from me and Brian. Keep your stuff covered with frost cloth. Till next time.